Hasta luego. Sí.
Oh, yo, he speaks Spanish. Oh, I gotta go up there and practice with him. You got this, dude. You got this.
Perdón, ¿te escuché hablar español?
Sí.
De hecho, estoy aprendiendo español este año, así que puedo practicar hablar contigo. Ah, ok, claro que sí, mi amigo, por supuesto. Vale. Wow, tienes un estilo realmente genial. Ah, ¿en serio? Acabo de comprar esta, ¿sabes?
Ikenna, listen. All we gotta do is us brain cells. We gotta get together and we gotta think of something.
Yeah, like for me, example, I think the word starts with the letter C.
It definitely starts with an R.
Yeah, I think the boys from the hippocampus might know. Despacito.
Damn it. Now he's looking at me weird.
Yo, memory department, we got any data stored from Duolingo about clothes? All we got is this sentence, mis caballos coleccionan dientes. Well, then we're screwed. We should have studied more. This is all the pleasure department's problem because he's addicted to Naruto. Urusei.
What could the word
Say it
be?
in English.
Damn.
But with like a Spanish
Maybe our
accent.
Spanish
Guys, stop.
Right.
I think I got it. I know how to say the word clothes. Yo acabo de comprar esta closito. Y me gusta mucho. Ah, ok, vale. Así que... Yes, I think he understood me. Así que... espera, ¿qué significa cloditos? Yo, what did he just say? Yo, what? Damn, we got to try. We got nothing. We're literally dead.